Hi my loves, welcome back to another vlog. This is the 2019 first vlog. Yay! So I was trying to be all cute and wear these glasses, but I'm in front of my window and the reflection is just bugging me, so I'm just gonna take them off. Don't mind how I look. I'm super tired. I think I'm getting sick. Before we get into this vlog, let me tell you guys what's going on, just in case if you guys are new to my channel. So basically, I've been living in this apartment for like 5 years or so. And when I got the apartment, it only had carpet, and honestly I hated it from the beginning, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make the best of it. But with time it started getting super damaged, so I actually had like I think 4 floods in my apartment. I had some couple in the bathroom, in the vanity, because my bathroom and vanity are separate, and then also in my kitchen. So the carpet was just getting super destroyed. Like honestly, it was always getting wet. Plus Bella, my dog, oh my god, at the beginning when I had her, she was just peeing everywhere. I know that's super nasty, but honestly she was peeing everywhere. I was training her and she was just doing whatever she wanted. I was not good at training her. So basically the past year or so I've been asking office for them to remove my carpet because it's just super nasty, smells really bad, it's just completely destroyed. And at first they wanted me to pay for it, and I was like, what? I am not gonna be paying to put wood floor, like hell no. They changed managers, and as soon as they changed managers I was like, okay, this is my opportunity to ask again, you know. Let's hopefully with this manager she'll like change it for me. They finally put my wood floor and I'm so happy. So that's a little story behind everything, and now let me just get into this vlog and you guys could see the before, why I hated how bad it was. Plus I had like 2 different floors plus the carpet, so basically I had 3 different floors in my apartment. So I already took everything out from my room. Let me go all the way over here. Look at Bella. Do you guys see how ugly this carpet is? Is there an echo? I feel like there's an echo now. Look, guys. It's so disgusting. I still have Bella's crate. See, she's starting to get used to going inside. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys about this, but I could do that in a different vlog. So this is a before. So this is a carpet that I have in the room, and this is a carpet that I have in the living room. So let me show you guys how many different color floors I have in this apartment. Okay, I only have 3, but still. So as you guys can see, I'm already having that issue. It's already coming off. So there's this color carpet, like a ugly, dark, mocha brown. I don't even know what color you could call this. It's just, to me, it's just so freaking ugly. When you get out of my room, then there's this floor color right here. This one is actually not bad, but for some reason it just looks dirty. I think even like from the first day, even though I mop and clean it, it just, I don't know, this kind of floor, whatever it is, it's like a vinyl, it just grabs into dirt real bad, and you just can't clean it no matter what. So this one was not bad, but like I said, it just gets super dirty. So like I said, we went from ugliest carpet, I don't know what happened here, to this kind of floor. And this floor goes by my vanity. I don't want to show you guys my vanity right now because it's a mess. Everything's like packed there because I put like all my makeup in there. So yeah, so don't mind that. So this is the floor that goes from there. You guys see? You guys already see 2 different floors. It goes all the way to the bathroom, so that's where it goes. Okay, see, here's where you could really see the 3 different floors I have. This grayish white carpet and that one. So that one is going to the kitchen over there. I have a mess because I still have things that I need to move out, but let me just show you guys how it looks. So look at the difference from here to here. Why did they do that? I don't freaking know. Like, why they put 2 different colors. So basically I used to have carpet here, but then it got damaged, so they put that floor. But I don't know why they couldn't just put this one, because this one is also at the dining where the dining table is supposed to be at, they also have the same color, but they were like, oh, we're out of it, so they put that one. This is so ugly. Okay, and then you go over here. Now I'm not gonna be able to show you guys. I'll try to do this when they're starting to fit the living room tomorrow, but for now, so basically it goes from, all of this is floor, and then now we're going to the living room, because see, right now I have all my stuff there, so that's why I can really show you. So this is the carpet that goes from the living room, but see, it goes kind of like an L shape, so it goes like this, and then where's my mattress right now, it goes that way, and then there's floor. I was eating tacos right now. So this is the same floor as my kitchen, and this area right here is supposed to be the area for the dining, but I don't have a dining table, and I'm not gonna use the dining table, so you guys are gonna see what I'm gonna do on this side. I found this picture that I took when I just got the apartment. That way you guys have an idea of how the bedroom, the living room, and the dining look. Guys, it's finally done. Look how nice it looks. Oh my god, I freaking love it. I even feel like it looks brighter inside here because it brings so much light. They put like a lighter brown color. I didn't even know this was the one that we're gonna put, but I'm so happy with it. I think it looks so nice, because seriously, anything's gonna go with it. But just enjoy. I haven't put none of my furniture back yet. So now everything's complete. Look how much space I have, guys. See? I have all of this space. Look from this side. Wow. Looks even nicer from this side. Oh my god. Bella's like, she doesn't even know what to do. So honestly, it feels like I'm in a new apartment. This is so nice. And I really like this right here. That looks really nice there. I don't know what is it called, but that looks really nice. Look at her. What the hell are you doing, girl? Oh, and there's an echo right now because there's no furniture inside. I'm like this. I'm so happy. I do need to clean it because it's so dirty. But now see, guys, there's no division. Okay, so before there used to be a division right there for the dining table. That is gone. There used to be a different color for the hall and for the kitchen. That is gone, and for the bathroom. That is gone. And then my room, I'll show you guys that later because my room is packed with stuff right now, so let's just leave it as there. But you guys could see from here. Remember before? Let me show you guys the before picture from this area, the after. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I seriously feel like I have a new apartment. I'm like super happy. There's probably gonna be an echo, and I don't know how the lighting is because I'm just vlogging, and don't mind how I look. I mean, I feel like I've been moving since yesterday and today because I had to move everything out. But anyways, what I've been wanting to do for the longest is to put this rug right here. Oh my god, guys, I had this rug for like almost 6 months, I think, and it's been waiting for this moment. We're gonna do it today. So this is like my baby. Okay, so I think I must put it from, oh my gosh, from over here. It's heavy. Let me put it down. So I think the couch probably is gonna go a little bit more that way. I'm not sure yet. Like I said, we are gonna be decorating along. So this is super exciting for me. Oh That just feels good to do that. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I haven't seen it in so long. And I'm like, I hope I still like it. Look who's gonna enjoy the rug more than me. Bella, can you do it, Mr. K? You know, roll around the the rug. Usually she does. So this is basically how the rug looks. I love the pattern. Look. See, I told you guys she eventually was gonna do that. She loves to do that with new rugs. I really love the pattern of it. Right now it looks a little bit weird because there's nothing, you know, no furniture or anything. Okay, so let me show you guys how my bedroom looks. Now let me tell you guys before I show you how the floor looks in my bedroom. There's a mess because I haven't put everything where it's supposed to go. Some items, yes, but other items are like everywhere. So just be aware of that. So this is how the floor looks now. It looks so nice. Yes, I have a mess in my bed. But you guys see how beautiful it looks. And then I have Bella's crate right here. A mess on top of it. I don't know where I'm gonna put that because I don't like it there. We'll see. And then look how nice it looks over here. Oh my god, this is gonna look so nice. So I already put my vanity back. I already put those things back. I don't know if everything's gonna stay there because I kind of want to move everything around, make it different, but for now I just put it where it used to be. But look how beautiful this looks. Oh my god. I'm probably gonna put like a rug here. And then on this side, usually I had a mirror here, so I had to put my mirror back. And then I'm gonna do something different here. So I don't know, everything's gonna be totally different, but I just want to show you guys how the floor looks for now. Looks really nice. I still have to clean it. It's still dusty, but so far so cute. Now when you walk out, everything's even. They all go together. Look at my hair is so so messed up right now. But that's gonna be it, guys, for this vlog for my new wood floor. I'm so happy. I'm gonna have more videos for you guys. A lot of decorating videos, haul videos. So many things are gonna go down in this apartment, and you guys are gonna see everything. Look at the mess I have in the back. I have to put so many things in the back. It's just right now, everything's a mess. I just need to start putting things back. But I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys are excited as I am, because I've been talking about this for like the longest time ever. You guys know I've been saying like I want my wood floor, and I finally got it. So happy. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, my loves.